Hi, Miracle Jade here with another makeup video. So I'm going to show you how to get this look. And I know, okay, elephant in the room, I have no hair. I know I used to have like the puffs, and then I had like the crochet hair and all that. And since I moved to Georgia, it is hot. It's hot. It's hot all the time. So I decided to chop it off, which I did last night, 2 nights ago. I did it 2 nights ago. And I still have my undercut. I don't know if you guys can see. So it's weird right now, but when I go to the barber, I'm going to have them take all of this off, and then I'll just have like a little curly top. So I'm excited. But yeah, now that I addressed the elephant in the room, I'm just going to show you how to get this look since we're getting ready for fall. So I used a lot of reds, a lot of browns. My face looks a little warm. And I'm excited to show you guys. And hopefully I'll be getting more videos up soon. I'll be getting more products to use, more things to try out. Everything's gonna be new. I'll do more hair stuff since I'm gonna have this little teeny weeny afro, which I love actually. I really love. The shape of my head is awesome. I thought the shape of my head was weird, but it's not. So that's good. But so I am going to show you how to get this look using products like Sephora brand foundation, Fit Me matte poreless foundation, because since I'm in Georgia, I'm like 2 different skin tones now. I don't know. A new Morphe palette, Aphrodite palette that I got on Hush. Hush is that app that I've been using lately to get makeup, and it's really awesome. I love it. The products that I get are always really good, really pigmented, as you can see. Pigment. Mario Badescu. I don't use setting spray. I've been using Mario Badescu, or I'm running out of this, so I use this at first. It's Coconut Rose Water by Pearlescence. It's actually really good, and as you can see, I'm running out. So I was using this, and I just switched to this because this sprayed out easier. Glossier, you know, I have my cloud paint for them rosy cheeks right there. What else did I use today? Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, my little banana baking powder. Oh, I did my brows off camera because I actually ran out of my brow pencil. My brow pencil is empty. Nothing is, it's done, which I'm upset about. So I had to go back to using my NYX, what is it called? Eyebrow cake powder. I used this at first. I don't really like using cake powder. I'd rather use a pencil, but I used this because I ran out, and the reason why I don't like using this is because of the brush it comes with. Like, it's a thick brush. Even though it's like angled, it's thick and it's weird, and I don't like it. So what I did was I have this Sephora like eye brush kit, and it came with a nice angled brush, thank God. So I used this instead of the one that this came with, and I made it work. But soon I will get my eyebrow pencil back, and then I'll do a tutorial on that as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, please like and subscribe, because, you know, I need some followers, I need some likes, I need all that. Help. Please. Help. But anyway, enjoy my video. Also, you'll see my boyfriend in the background. Just pay him no mind. Just disregard him. He's doing his YouTube thing, his, you know, video game thing, which I'll be on hopefully one of his videos soon. So check him out, Gunman465. But anyway, enjoy the video. I hope you like the look. I kind of do. I'm actually going to go out with this one today. I'm going to wear this one out. But enjoy, and I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, guys, so I'm starting out with a fresh face, and I'm going to put some moisturizer on by Caudalie Paris. And I'm just using this moisturizer before I put on my primer, because my primer is a serum and it dries out my skin. So it's always good to have a little bit of moisture before you use the primer. The primer is by Ordinary, and I got it from Hush app. Like I was talking about earlier, I love that app. You can get everything from that app. Next, I'm going to mix my 2 foundations My Sephora foundation shade is lighter, and then I have the Matte Poreless Fit Me foundation. It's a little bit darker, and when I mix the two, it's closer to my skin tone, just because I've been out in the sun a lot. I live in Georgia now, and my tan is crazy. So I'm just going to use my damp blendy sponge. It's like a beauty blender dupe that I got from the drugstore. I'm just going to use that to blend it all into my face and on my neck. I'm also going to add a little bit more around my mouth area because that's where I have the hyperpigmentation. I just want some more coverage. Next, I'm going to use my LA Girl Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm just going to put that under my eyes. I'm going to put it on my forehead, my nose, upper lip, and my chin. And to let it dry down a little bit, I'm just going to use my little spoolie to, do my brows right quick. I just want to see how they're looking. They're a little bit fuzzy, but I just don't feel like plucking them right now. So I'm going to use my sponge again. I'm going to blend that out just to highlight my face. Sorry I have that little mirror, you guys. The monitor be lying sometimes, and I think I'm blended, and then I gotta look in the mirror and I see that I'm not blended, so I'm gonna be constantly looking in that little mirror just to make sure I am blended. I'm not looking crazy. Okay, after that I'm gonna use my banana powder. I'm gonna put that under my eyes just to set my concealer in place. No creasing, y'all, no creasing. I'm also gonna put it on my problem areas, like my upper lip, which sweats, and my chin. Oh, my forehead too. Let me get that forehead. Just wherever I put concealer, I'm just gonna hit it with the powder. I did my brows off camera, thank God, because they were looking crazy, and I told you I was gonna do them off camera. But I'm just using my palette. I'm gonna actually put this in the description down below, but it's one of my bronzing palettes and my contour palettes, just to contour my face a little bit, add some more color to my face too, because my face is looking a little ghost face. And I'm just gonna bronze a little bit, bring that warmth back. Then I'm using my Mario Badescu to set my powders in place, and then I'm just gonna press my setting spray into my face. Now with my Aphrodite palette, I'm using this kind of brownish red color all over my lid. Once I have that blended out, I'm going to use a different red. It's more like a deeper red, just into my crease, and I'm going to blend that out into the brownish red. Next, I'm going to use this deeper brown and put that in the corner of my crease, just to darken that red up a little bit. It was looking a little too bright for the fall. I need things to be a little bit rich. And then I'm going to put that brownish red color on my bottom lid and my waterline. Then I'm bringing out my Morphe palette, and there's this gold shimmery color in there that's so beautiful, and I'm just going to use that on my lid. I'm also going to put it in my crease, or not my crease, my little corner of my little tear ducts. And then there's this reddish shimmery color that I'm going to put on the outer lid area. and blend those together. And then I'm going to use my blendy sponge just to clean up some of that fallout from the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use my cloud paint. I'm going to use a little blush brush just to blend that out. I never use a lot of blush. I just want that little rose to my cheeks, just a little bit. And then I'm going to take some bronzer and just buff that out a little bit. Now for my highlight, I'm going to put it on the bridge of my nose and on my cupid's bow. Now it's time for some mascara. I know y'all, I do not wear lashes. I don't like the way they feel. I've never liked the way they felt, so I'm just gonna stick with the mascara. And set my face. Let that dry, and then I'm gonna do my bottom lashes, because you never want to set your face after you do your bottom lashes, because it'll just run. It's inevitable. So I'm going to use the City Color Collection Brown Nude Matte Lipstick. I'm going to use this reddish brown color, and then I'm going to go in with this light nude color, and then I'm going to go around the edge with the dark brown, just so I have a little ombre effect, and it's perfect for the fall. And here is the final look. As you can see, everything is very uniform. My skin is glowing. I have the reddish, brownish, mauve look going on, which is perfect for the fall. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks!